मैच के बाद थोड़ा क्लियर होगा पिक्चर। इस मैच के बाद क्लियर होएगा। दो टीम फाइनल में आएगी, दो टीम का कंफ्यूजन रहेगा। अरे 2 ओवर का मैच खेला अरे 2-2 3-3 ओवर का एक मैच खेलेंगे, 4 ओवर का खेलेंगे। चलो
Guys, settle down. Match num Bayanak Boys versus Maratha Warriors. Batsman on strike. Batsman name please.
नेम बता।
Pratik. Jitendra Mali on strike. Jitendra Mali, Rajat Sharma. First over, Brijesh. Brijesh will bowl the first over for Bayanak Boys, Pink Panthers. One, 1+1. Good fielding. Dot. 1 dot. Good fielding. 1 dot. It's a 6. Out of the ground. Took the edge of the bat. Went past everyone, above everyone's head. The angry batsman. The leading runs. No ball. No ball. Oh! Got out. डक पकड़ लिया है. 2 runs after 1 over. Rajat.
नाम बोल। अक्षय मोरे नॉन स्ट्राइक पे।
ऋषि बॉल करेंगे, दूसरा ओवर डालेंगे. राउंड द विकेट टू. That's out. He threw his wicket away. Wanted to score boundary, got nothing and got out. Dinesh, wicket-keeper batsman, coming after losing third wicket. Dinesh. Good shot for no run. Well ball by Rishi. Ball number. One more dot. Ball number 4. That's out. Is that out? 1 run. 1D.
तभी तो एक्साइटमेंट बजेगा।
1D. Wide ball. Good fielding by Prasad. Ball number 5. Good shot for 1 run. Good running between the wicket. Dinesh is a fast runner. Posed his non-striker friend for a run. Very good running between the wicket. These batsmen understand each other well. After 2 overs, score is 6 runs. 6 runs after 2 overs. Amar Rawat will bowl the third over. Amar. Oh, good ball. Good ball. Dot ball. Good shot. 4 runs. We are playing cricket here. We are not playing football. You were not supposed to divert the ball. You were supposed to stop the ball. One more ball coming. When you have too many football players in your team, this is what happens. One more D. Good ball. Dot ball. 4 balls. Fifth ball. Is that a boundary? No. That's out. Good running between the wicket. Akshay, very fast between the wickets. Dinesh is on strike. Last ball of Amar's over. Is that out? Yes. He broke the box. Score after 3 overs is 12. 4 wickets. Siddesh. Duri. Akshay is on strike. Siddesh is on non-strike. We have an uncle with a 50th birthday t-shirt. Aryan is the bowler. Surve Bhai celebrating his 50th birthday. 50th birthday written on his t-shirt. He'll become 50 after 7 years. That's what he says. 7 साल के बाद अपना 50वां बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे सुरवे भाई. Good spin, Aryan. Spinning the ball. Good shot for 2 runs. He left the crease before the ball was released from the hands. Again, good shot for 1 or 2. 2D. Dot 2D, 2D. Wide ball. Dot 2D, 2D, wide. 3 ball. Change of side. Over the wicket now. Aryan to Akshay. Another wide ball. Need to keep it a little short because he's over pitching it now. Good ball. Second last ball of the over. Second last ball of the over. Good spin. अगर LBW आउट होता तो he was out. Last ball of the over. Out. Maratha Warriors, first time they are under pressure. 18 runs scored by Maratha Warriors. 19 runs required to win. Sachin Salvi, we haven't seen you much in the cricketing side. I think you are only fielding, no batting, no bowling at all. Ganesh Bhai, not happy with his team's performance, but it is a very good bowling side. They can win this match for their team. As rightly said by a few of the politicians who attended our show today, jeetna harna is only the outcome. You need to give 100% in your game. आप अपना 100% दीजिए, मैच का आउटकम आपके फेवर में होगा. Satyanarayan, Satyavan, can we have a word with you? How do you position yourself? Pink Panthers, oh sorry, Bhayanak Boys. The player got offended with Pink Panthers comment. So Bhayanak boy is wearing pink. Siddesh with first over. Ball number 1. No ball. Rishi is the batsman. Yogesh is on non-striker's end. Helicopter shot. पहली बार आपने टैप हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट देखा होगा. One more helicopter shot. 2 helicopter shot, 2 dots. 2D. 2D. Siddesh, ball number 4. Good fielding, good running between the wicket. That out. 1 run, 1D. That's out. End of over number 1. Score is 5 runs. Rishi, Akshay is the bowler. Good tap, 2 runs, 1 run. 1 run, 1D. Akshay to Rishi. Hit wicket भी हो गया है, bowled भी हो गया है. So hit wicket was the first. Second batsman getting out of hit wicket. Batsman name please. Prashant Gujjar. Good tap. Is that a 4? Very good fielding by Siddesh. Taking full advantage of his height. अपनी लंबाई का पूरा फायदा उठाया सिद्धेश ने और 4 रन बचाए टीम के लिए. 3 रन बचाए, 1 रन दौड़ के लिया. Amar is on strike. 2 runs. 2 runs. 9 required of 14 balls. Is that a wide? 8 runs required of 14 balls. Less than run a ball. He dropped it. 2 runs. Amar got lucky today. Is not in his form. Took the edge of the bat. Went to the short mid wicket fielder. He dropped it. There was a chance for one more run. 5 run required of 12 balls. 5 required of 12. Kiran will ball the third over. Four run required of 11 balls. Less than run a ball. They can win this match in this over itself. They need to play singles. They need to deal in singles. He wanted to score the winning runs for his team but lost his wicket. Brijesh, 1 dot. Sorry. Is that out? Out. That's crazy, man. You need 2 runs, 4 runs. एक रन भी तो गया था उधर डी 1D उधर ऑफ साइड में. वेट ब्रिजेश ने 1D मारा था ना? 1D 1 डॉट. One D and out. तीन रन चाहिए 8 बॉल पे. 8 पे 3 चाहिए. 3 रन चाहिए 8 बॉल पे. प्रसाद इज ऑन स्ट्राइक. दो रन चाहिए 8 बॉल पे. जीत गया. Bhayanak boys won the match. Boys are excited. One more match ending before getting into the fourth over. It was a low scoring match. Next match. Mumbai Indians versus Delhi Capitals. Tushar Panchal versus Harendra Vishwakarma. A captain who loses more than one season should be banned for next 2 seasons as a captain. Tushar Panchal ready to hand over the 5th man of the match trophy to the one advice to Tushar Panchal: he should surrender his captaincy for one match. He should hand it over to somebody else. Man of the match. I think it should be Amar Rawat, but let me check. 1 second. Don't get overboard. Don't get overexcited. Amar scored 7 runs. Amar took 1 wicket.
अक्षय मोरे क्या किया?
Amar gets the man of the match prize with 7 runs and 1 wicket.